Okay, let's say we have a header graphic. I'm just going to go to Moose Loose because I know I got a bunch of header graphics here. If you pick the little square down here, last square in this row of shapes and stuff, you'll get a whole bunch of these beautiful, beautiful backgrounds. So I'm just going to grab the bird. Yes, I'll do the bird. I'm going to right click and I'm going to save image as, and I'm going to save it in my demo as header JPEG. Header.jpg. Now you're going to have your own, I'm sure, but in case you don't and you want to use something off the web, you can right click and you can look at view image info and it'll tell you that this particular graphic is 1280 by 600. Okay, so that is now inside my root folder. It has to be in the root folder. You'll be full of grief if it's not there. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my header. And I am going to give myself some space. Make sure it's inside the header. Div in the HTML. The HTML has greater and less than. And I'm going to go to my beautiful, where's the structure? Where is this thing? Nope, it's probably under common. Here, image. I'm going to place an image. And when I click image, it'll go and open up my root folder where I will have my header. I will open it and put it in here. Now we know that this is going to be responsive, therefore we don't want the width to be 1280. We can put right here 100%, or yes, or we can get rid of that altogether. And because we want this to be 100%, guess what we can do? We can put a class. Remember that your classes, there is a class called 100, and it is 100%, and the height is auto. So I can make since I have that class, I can go to header, and I can go down to, let's see. Is it in HTML? Yes. Let's see if this works. I'm going to put my cursor here. I'm going to pick class. Let's see if it puts it in there. Sometimes it does. And it does. So basically what I did, let me delete that so you can see. I want a class of the 100 because I want it to be 100%. So I'm going to put my cursor inside the image tag. And I could pick class, there's that way, or I can just hit the class down here and I can pick 100 right there, and look, it puts the class. So that header JPEG is going to be 100% no matter what media screen, because 100 is 100%. Okay, so now I should look at this and I should see my beautiful, beautiful image right here inside the header. I'm going to just move this to the next line just so that I'm going to keep my, I don't know what that was. Okay, so I'm just going to go and make this so that it is easy for me to see. Okay, so here's my header, and you can see I'm going to save, in fact I'm going to save all. I'm going to view it in the browser, and here it is. Oh, beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So that's how we're going to put the header in. And it is, at this point, not responsive because the width is still 1280.